My dearest pupils, a very nice good morning to all of you. Here myself Sunil Singh is going to teach remain mathematical parts of exercise 1. I have already taught you up to question number 10. From 11 we are going to discuss, and question number 11 you can see find the LCM of the following. Just take an example for it. Here I solved an example for you. F of 11. Observe here 4 LCM of 4, 8 and 10. It means we have to find out the LCM of 4, 8 and 10. Just we got LCM of 4, 8 and 10 here. 2 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply 2 multiply 5 equal to 40. It means you have to find out LCM by division method. This method is called division method, and I hope that you will solve all remaining questions of 11 on the basis of this method. See the next question, which is 12. Find all the factors of the following. We have to find out here factors of the given numbers A, B, C and D. Here an example for you. C of 12, factors of 75. It means how many numbers can divide 75. Those are the factors of 75. We can divide 75 by 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75 as well. So all these numbers what are given here are the factors of 75. Did you understand? If not, just I repeat it Hindi. हमें फैक्टर्स ऑफ 75 निकालना है, तो 75 के फैक्टर्स वही हो सकते हैं जिससे हम 75 को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड कर सकें. तो एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड किस किस नंबर से कर सकते हैं हम 75 को? तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, 75. See the next question. I hope you will solve all remaining questions on the basis of this example. See the next question. Question number 12. Question number 13. Find the LCM of given number using the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means how many prime factors multiply together and make these numbers. Those are called prime factors. See an example. Here given 13b. Question number B. You can observe here 15, 25 and 30. So we write first prime factorization of 15. 3 multiply 5. As we know, 3 prime numbers and 5 prime numbers. So 3 multiply 5 equal to 15. Prime factorization of 25. 5 multiply 5, 25. Prime factorization of 30. 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So For finding out the LCM, we need to observe that which numbers are combined in minimum two numbers. So observe here, 5, here 5 are combined in all numbers. It means 5 is the factors of all these numbers. 3 here given get in two numbers. So we take 5 one times, 3 one times, and remain the numbers those are not common in minimum two numbers are 2 and 5. So our LCM of 15, 25 and 30, 2, just see here, 5, just see here, 3 common in two numbers, 5 common in three numbers, and multiplied together. Our answer is 150. So this is the LCM of 15, 25 and 30 by prime factorization. See other, and I hope also will solve all the questions on the basis of this example. See another, find the HCF of given numbers using the prime factorization method. Just we have to find out the HCF of given numbers. HCF, highest common factors. So see an example. D of 14 for you, 180, 300, 420. Just prime factorization of 180, we can find out prime factors 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Prime factorization of 300, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. Prime factorization of 420, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. In simple way, when we are going to find out the HCF of given numbers by the prime factorization method, we find out those numbers which are common in all given numbers. So you can observe here 2 common in all three numbers, again 2 common in all three numbers, 3 common in all three numbers, 5 common in all three given numbers. So HCF of 180, 300, 420 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Just see here, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 equal to 60. So we have discussed here up to question number 14. Here see the next question. Arrange the following in increasing order. How can we arrange in increasing order? In increasing order, at first we write the smallest one and then greater and then greatest. This is the formula to write these numbers, these given numbers in increasing order. So see here one example for you. Just observe here, 15a. Numbers are given 3 by 5, 4 by 10, 7 by 15, 9 by 10. How can we know that which number is smaller? To take all these numbers in similar value. How can we find out the similar value? Change all the fractions as like fractions. For making like fractions, we have to find out the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 10. LCM of denominator 5, 10, 15, 10, it will be 30. So take all these fractions with the denominator of 30. 3 by 5, 30, 5 6 times 30, so 3 6 times 18. 4 by 10, 30, 10 3 times 30, 4 3 times 12. 7 by 15, 30, 15 2 times 30, 7 2 times 14. Again 9 by 10, taking denominator 30, 10 3 times 30, 9 3 times 27. So all these are in like fractions. All these are like fractions. So whose numerator is smallest, that is the smallest number. Observe whose numerator is smallest. 18, 12, 14, 27. Definitely 20 by 30 is smallest. 18 by 30, sorry, 14 by 30, then 18 by 30, then 27 by 30. Right? So now it is very easy to write these numbers in increasing order. 12 by 30 comes instead of 4 by 10. So first 4 by 10. 14 by 30 comes instead of 7 by 15. So 7 by 15. Again 18 by 30 comes instead of 3 by 5. So write here 3 by 5. 27 by 30 comes instead of 9 by 10. So this is the greatest in all these four fractional numbers. So this is written in the form of increasing order. This was the example of 15. You will solve all the remaining questions on the basis of this example. Arrange the following in decreasing order. Decreasing order, it means घटते हुए क्रम में. First we will write the greatest one and then consecutively we will write the numbers in decreased order. It means घटता हुआ क्रम होना चाहिए. See an example for you. Just 16, B of 16, 16B. See an example. Numbers are given 1 by 6, 5 by 9, 7 by 12, 1 by 3. Same as we will apply the same formula what we used to write the numbers in increasing order. First we will find out the LCM of 6, 9, 12 and 3. LCM of 6, 9, 12 and 3 equal to 36. You can find out the LCM. Just do not write on the basis of your prediction. पहले निकाल लें, अंदाज के तौर पे नहीं लिखें. आप LCM 6, 9, 12 और 3 का 36 हो गया. नाउ टेक ऑल द फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स विद द डिनोमिनेटर 36. 1/6 denominator 36, 6 times 36, 6 times 6. 5/9 denominator 36, 9 4 times 36, 5 4 times 20. 7/12 denominator 36, 12 3 times 36, 7 3 times 21. 1/3 36, 3 12 times 36, 1 12 times 12. Now you can observe these like fractional numbers. We can find out instead the given fractional numbers. Which one is shorter? Which one is greatest? Very simple. 21/36 is greatest. 21/36 is greatest. So 7/12. 21/36 comes instead of 7/12. So in decreasing order, numbers will be 7/12 is greater than, again next 20/36 instead of 5/9, again 1/3, and the last one will be 1/6. Here you may solve all the given questions on the basis of these examples. See the next question. This question is 17. Solve the following word problems. In a T20 cricket match, 36,873 men and 22,116 women were present in the stadium to see the match. What was the total number of spectators in the stadium? Spectators का मतलब क्या हुआ? दर्शक जो T20 क्रिकेट मैच देख रहे हैं, उसमें से 36,873 मेन हैं और 22,116 वुमेन हैं. तो दोनों मिलाकर टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पेक्टेटर्स इन द स्टेडियम आपको लिखना होगा. तो आप यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पेक्टेटर्स इन द स्टेडियम इक्वल टू, इसे और इसे आप ऐड कर दें. This number and this number add together. Very simple, you can find out the answer. Try by yourself. The sum of two numbers, sum of मतलब जानते हैं योग, टू नंबर्स को जोड़ने के बाद हमें क्या मिला? ये नंबर मिला है. इफ वन ऑफ देम, उसमें से एक 1,24,321 है. फाइंड द अदर. तो यहाँ से आप लिखेंगे केवल, यहाँ से द अदर नंबर इक्वल टू 3,48,654 minus 1,24,321। यहाँ पे आप अगर इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो अदर नंबर जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वो मिल सकता है। द कॉस्ट ऑफ डीवीडी इज ₹467. सी what will be the cost of 1143 such DVDs? You may write here the cost of 1143 DVDs equal to, you will not write such, just write the cost of 1143 DVDs equal to 1143 multiply 4607. What will you get? That will be your answer here. Multiply together and write the answer. Very simple. Find the greatest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 5. How can we find out the greatest 5-digit number? We know that greatest 5-digit number, see here, 17. D. Given, find the greatest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 5. The greatest 5-digit number, right here the greatest 5-digit number. As you know, the greatest digit is 9. Write 9 5 times. The greatest 5-digit number will be 9,999. Divide it by 5. See here, 9,999 divided by 5. What we get after, right here, after divide, the remainder equal to, that will be 4. You can divide it and observe, right? Our remainder will be 4. So the greatest 5-digit number, 5-digit number which can be divided exactly by 5 equal to 99,999 minus 5. Very simple. 4. Remainder here 4. Subtract 4 from this number. What we get here? 99,995. This is the number. See question number E. The price of 10 pencils is ₹40. Find the price of 4 pencils. Find out the price of 1 pencil. The price of 1 pencil equal to 40 by 10. It means 40 divided 10. It will be 4. Rupees 4. The price of 4 pencil. Then 4 multiply 4. It means 16. Question number F. Neetu and Reena bought 4 by 5 and 3 by 7 meters of cloth respectively. Find the total length of cloth they bought. दोनों मिलके कितना क्लॉथ खरीदा उसमें लेंथ आपको फाइंड आउट करना है। तो आप दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए। टोटल लेंथ ऑफ क्लॉथ नीतू एंड रीना bought, नीतू एंड रीना bought equal to 4/5 plus 3/7. Try to solve by yourself. What you will get, that will be your answer. 1/4 of the students were absent on a rainy day. Rainy day means वर्षा के दिन में 1/4, it means 1/4 स्टूडेंट absent थे, स्कूल से अनुपस्थित से। What fraction of the students were present on that day? The students were present on that day equal to 1 minus 1/4. LCM 4 into 1 4 minus 1 equal to 3/4. In very simple way we can say that 3/4 of the students were present on that day. Encircle the prime numbers from each set. As we have already discussed about what are prime numbers, the numbers which has only two factors 1 and itself are called prime numbers. जिस नंबर्स में जिन नंबरों में, जिन संख्याओं में केवल 2 नंबर से भाग हो सकते हैं, या तो 1 हो या फिर वो स्वयं संख्या हो, तो वो सारी संख्याएं प्राइम नंबर्स होती हैं। उसका कोई दूसरा कोई फैक्टर नहीं होता। तो आप देखिए 10 को हम 1 से, 2 से, 5 से, 10 से, तो 1 और 10 के अलावे इसमें 2 और 5 भी है, तो ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं हो सकता। 12, you can observe the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So if there will be the factors of 12 will be 1 and 12, then it will prime numbers as expectations. But the more factors we can get for 10, 12, 18, 25, only 31 has 2 factors 1 and 31, so it will be prime numbers. See here 5, 17, 25, 41, 62, 17, 41, 17, 24, 17 here, 24, 34, 56, 68, 21, 28, 34, 42, 67. These encircled number are prime numbers. What should be the smallest digit in the box if the number is to be divisible by 3? Remember the divisible by 3. The numbers which are divisible by 3, याद करो कौन सा नंबर डिविजिबल हो सकता है 3 से। What we get the definition those numbers divisible by 3? Same, if the given digits of the numbers, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. यानी कि अंकों के योग अगर 3 से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं तो वो नंबर्स भी 3 से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं। तो आप यहाँ पे ऐड करके देख सकते हो। यू कैन ऐड एंड सी हियर 8 + 3 11, 1 12, If we add all 3 digits, we get here 12. 12 can be divided by 3, so 831 definitely is the divisible by 3. 4, 2, 6. 6 can be divided by 3, same as 5 plus 8, 13, 3, 16, 2, 18. Same as 6, 3, 9, 9, 18, 4, 22, 2, 24. You can verify it by divisible method, divide method, division method. Find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle whose one side is perimeter. It means the length, the sum of the length of all sides of a triangle is called perimeter. How many sides has an equilateral triangle? We can say that 3 equal sides. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle equal to 3 into side. On this formula you can set up this 3 into 8 equal to 24 cm. Here is the answer for A. Here is the answer for A. Very simple. C. 21. Find the side of the square if its perimeter is 24, 36, 88, 148. 24, 36, 88, 148. The side of the square equal to perimeter divided 4. On this basis you can find out 24 by 4 equal to 6 cm. Is the same. On the basis of this formula you can find out the side of the square whose perimeters are 36 cm, 88 cm, 148 cm. Find the missing figure of a rectangle. Length, breadth, perimeter. Just see here. Find the missing figure of a rectangle. 12, 1. 22, A. Length given 16 cm. Breadth not given, breadth we have to find out, and perimeter given 48. So we have to find out the breadth of a rectangle where length given and perimeter given. So perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and that is given here. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 48 right here, or 2 into length given here 16 plus breadth equal to 48. Transpose it to this side. Remain here 16 plus b equal to 14 by 2. When we transpose the number which is given this side to this side, this will be reciprocal. It means multiply होगा तो वो divide में change होगा, plus होगा तो वो minus में, minus होगा तो वो plus में, और divide होगा तो वो multiply. divide it, we get here 24. Or B, again transpose this 16 this side, as we have discussed, given here plus, so it will be changed into minus, therefore breadth equal to 8 cm. On this basis you can find out what are given. In B you have to find out length. In C you have to find out perimeter. This is the formula. 2 into L plus B is the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. 23. Two sides of triangular field measure 8 meter each. If the third side of the field measures 7 meter, then how much wire is required for fencing the boundary of the given field? Also find the cost of fencing. The cost of wire is rupees 13 per meter. Just if you will observe this problem, you can find out the field is triangular. Field कैसा है? ट्रायंगुलर है, त्रिभुजाकार है, 3 साइड से घिरा हुआ है. उसमें से 2 साइड्स 8 मीटर्स के हैं और 1 साइड 7 मीटर का है. तो उसका पहले हम पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे. 23 पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर फील्ड इक्वल टू sum of all sides. Given 2 sides are 8 meter each, 8 plus 8, and 1 side is 7. 23 meter, sorry, not cm, meter. Right? Fencing the boundary. Fencing means we have to fence the boundary by the wire, यानी कि तार से हमें उसको घेरना है फील्ड को. तो कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग, द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग इक्वल टू the cost of wire is rupees 13 per meter. इट मीन्स 1 मीटर का प्राइस हो रहा है 13 रुपीज़ और हमें इतना मीटर घेरना है. तो क्या करेंगे? 23 मल्टीप्लाई 13 कर देंगे. ₹299. In very simple way we can find out in such way. See, find the diameter of the circle whose radius is. As we all know that diameter is double of the radius of a circle. diameter क्या होता है? 2 गुना होता है रेडियस का. तो जब ये रेडियस दिया हुआ है तो diameter of the circle, see one example for you, equal to 2 into radius, 2 into 7.8, 7.8. It means 7.8, 15.6 cm will be diameter for this measure. Same as diameter of the circle 2r. 2r means 2 multiply 15, 30 centimeter. Same you can find out. 39 centimeter will be the diameter. Convert the following as the questions given. We have to convert what are given in the question. First, say example 89 decameter to centimeter. We have to change 89 decameter into centimeter. 36 deciliter into milliliter. 9 kilogram to gram. 17 meter to millimeter. 600 deciliter to liter. 90 meter to decameter. 4 kg 650 gram to gram. 4 deciliter 5 deciliter to centiliter. See one example for you. 89 decameter to cm. As we know, 1 decameter DAM equal to 1000 cm. So 89 decameter equal to 89 multiply 1000 equal to 89,000 cm. You will try by yourself to solve this question. Convert 8 hours into minutes. Here you have to change hours into minutes, 50 minutes into second, 4 days into hours, 1 day 2 hours into minutes. See one for you. 1 day 2 hours. First we have to find out 1 day 2 hours into hours. Change 1 day 2 hours. In 1 day we know 24 hours plus 2 hours, 26 hours. And we also know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 26 hours into 60 equal to 1560 minutes. वेरी सिंपल. पहले हमने 1 डे और 2 आवर्स को पूरा आवर्स में चेंज कर दिया तो 26 आवर्स आया. फिर हमने 60 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो ये मिनट में चेंज हो गया. सी 27. Anshu school starts at 8:15 am but today he reached at 8:40 am. How much late was he? अंशु का स्कूल कब से शुरू हो रहा है? सुबह में 8:15 से, यानी 8:15 am से. लेकिन आज वह पहुंचा स्कूल कब? 8:40 am में. हाउ मच लेट वाज ही? तो कितना लेट था वो? तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आप निकाल सकते हैं. हाउ मेनी मिनट्स ही वॉज लेट? ही वॉज लेट बाय 8:40 minus 8:15 am. It means 25 minutes. Salu spent 2 hours 15 minutes daily to do a workout at a gym. Salu 2 hours 15 minutes daily workout करता है एक जिम में. Today she करती है एक जिम में. Today she started at 5:43 am. At what time will she stop? वह कितने टाइम में स्टॉप करेगी? तो 2 hours 15 minutes को ऐड कर देंगे. अगर हम ऐड करते हैं 2 hour 15 minutes को तो हमारा आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 5 + 2 7 43 + 15. पहले आप at first you will add minutes together because there should not be more than 59 minutes. If there come 60 minutes definitely we have transpose it to the hour. अगर हमें 60 मिनट्स मिलता है तो उसको हम सीधे आवर में ट्रांसपोज कर देते हैं। तो आप देखिए यहाँ ये 60 मिनट से कम ही होगा, एंड दैट विल बी 58 मिनट्स एंड 5 + 2 7, इट मीन्स 7:58 में वो जिम छोड़ेगी या स्टॉप करेगी जिम में अपना वर्कआउट। तो ये क्या होगा, AM। व्हाट इज द डेट 25 डेज बिफोर 12 नवंबर? 12 नवंबर के बाद 25 डेज के बाद कौन सा डेज होगा? It means after 25 days from 12 November, what will the days it is? See here, 12 November. We know that 12 plus 25. 12 plus 25 equal to 7, 3 minus 30, because November has 30 days, remain here 7 days. Find out the number of days between 5th January 2019 to 26th April 2019. Observe here, 2019 April 04, date 26, January days 5, month 1, year 2019. Subtract 6 minus 5, 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3 months, 21 days. But we all know that January has 31 days and March has also, January has 31 days and March has also 31 days, but February has 28 days. So 1, 1, 2 and 28 plus 2, 30. So that 2. March 31, 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Not remain any days to add in this days. So 3 months, 21 days, total 90 plus 21 days, 111 days will be answer. How many months are there in 13 years 2 months? 13 years, observe here, 13 years 2 months equal to 13 multiply 12 plus 2. 13 multiply 12, 156 plus 2 equal to 158 months. A group of 13 friends, last question number 32 of this exercise. A group of 13 friends contributed an equal amount of money and bought a gift for 2756.52. What was the share of each child? Very simple. The share of each child equal to 2756.52 by 13. Divide it. After division, what you will get? See here. 13 2 ja 26, 1, 13 2 ja 26, 1 5, 1 time, 2 6, 2 times, 26, 0 4, rupees 212.04 is the share of each child. So I hope that you will solve all the problems, and if you will get any type of problem, you can contact me or consult me to come in school. Thank you very much, my students, and I hope that you will stay at your home with maintaining hygiene as well as your health well. Thank you. Again we will meet with another video. Thanks a lot.